Today I will show you how to easily figure out a 20% tip at a restaurant. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, say you have a bill that is $33. This is your total. After or before taxes, however you like to tip. Well, what is 20% of this? Because this is our tip, 20%, usually at a restaurant in America. Well, the trick is to take this total and double it to get $66, right? 33 times 2 is 66. Well then, if we take this and we move the decimal point one to the left, so this decimal point's here, if we move it one to the left, we're gonna get $6.60. And this is equivalent to 20% of $33. And there you go, there's your tip. It's as simple as that. It's just a little trick. So we double it, and then we move the decimal point one to the left to get $6.60. You're basically doubling it and then taking 10%, or taking 20% of this $33. It's that simple. Say we want to find a tip that's maybe a bit less or more, so we'll start with, say, 15%. So for $42 total, let's try and find 15% as a tip. You know, the waiter didn't spill a drink on you or didn't do very well, give maybe 15%, or you can find 20% with this technique as well. So to find 15%, we first have to find 10%, which is simple. We take the $42, we move the decimal point one to the left to get $4.20. Then we, remember this, keep this saved somewhere. We take this number and we cut it in half to get $2.10. Okay, so half of $4.20 is $2.10. Then if we add $4.20 and our $2.10, this is going to equal $6.30, which is 15% of $42. Now, how does that work? Well, first we find 10% of $42, which happens to be $4.20. Then half of 10% is going to be 5%. So then we find 5%. So this is really 5% of $42 right here. If we add 10% and 5%, we get 15%. So when we add them together, this will equal 15% of our total bill. Now you can do the same thing for 25%. If we just first double like we did before, we find 20% first, but it requires a little extra step because you have to then find 5%, so you'll have to find 10%, but I'm sure you can figure it out. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment below of what topic you'd like to see next. This is Dylan signing off. Hope you have a good day and see you in the next one.